Gihuo Women's Athletic Full Zip Lightweight Workout Jacket with Thumb Holes. Features: zip up, closure, easy to wear and remove. Long sleeves with thumb holes, keeps sleeves in place for added comfort during movement. Slim fit design, tailored for a sleek look, allowing for greater mobility. Crop length and tapered waistline, flattering fit that enhances your silhouette. Versatile use, perfect for casual outings, running, sports, yoga, and workouts. Gihuo Women's Workout Gym Tops. Style: long sleeve crop tops and athletic yoga tops. Material: high stretch, lightweight fabric that adapts to your movements. Comfort: designed to keep you comfortable during various activities while maintaining a stylish appearance. Elevate your workout wardrobe with the Gihuo Lightweight Jacket, ideal for yoga, running, and every active endeavor.